The name of our Supreme Court case is Gideon v. Wainwright, and the year the opinion was announced was 1963. The vote was 9-0 in favor of Gideon. My name is Abigail Roepke, and my partner is Tiana Owens, and we're graduating in 2024, and our hour is 5th hour AP Gov. So fun.
Go.
Okay. In Gideon Wainwright, one of the amendments that was prominent was the Sixth Amendment. The Sixth Amendment to the U.S. Constitution protects the rights of people accused of their crimes. Among these protections is the right to assistance from a lawyer for one's defense. That means the government cannot prevent someone from consulting or having a lawyer represent them in court. However, not everyone who has been accused of a crime and can afford to hire one. In 1938, the Supreme Court ruled that in federal criminal courts, the government must pay for a lawyer for defendants who cannot afford for themselves.
Here are some facts of the case. In Panama City, Florida, in a Bay Harbor pool room, a robbery occurred, making Gideon a main suspect in this case. Gideon, with very little money to his name, could not afford an attorney to represent him. He argued that under the Sixth Amendment of the Constitution, everyone is entitled to a lawyer while being put on trial. His request for a lawyer was denied by a judge, as citizens of Florida were not required to be appointed a counsel unless a case would result in the death penalty. This would leave him to defend himself, which would unsurprisingly not in his favor. During his 5-year prison sentence, Gideon began to study law. In this time, he became a jailhouse lawyer, and from here he would file a habeas corpus petition. In this petition, he would claim that he was wrongfully tried and imprisoned. With this, he asked the Supreme Court to hear his case again. The court agreed and ultimately unanimously ruled in his favor.